Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and today I'm going to unbox another shoebox for Operation Christmas Child. I thought that I was done. I turned in all of my boxes a week ago, and I walked back into the place where I store all my stuff, and I'm like, I think I have enough stuff that I can make another box. Today is the last day of collection, so I have to get my box turned in. And if I don't, though, I've heard that if you volunteer at the processing center, that you can take the boxes with you when you go. So I'll see about that as well. Anyway, this is for a girl ages 10 to 14. Please excuse my studio. It is a mess right now because I've been crafting and doing shoeboxes, and messes happen. Alright, so this is what the girl will see when she opens up her box. I actually sent all of my plushies as filler already, but I found these. They're actually supposed to be like pool toys, little squishy fish, and they were 50 cents each at Walmart. So that little fish is her plushie. She has this puzzle from Dollar Tree. She has these little horses. Put 3 of them in there for her. She's got a bendable robot, a bead kit. It has pony beads and embroidery thread, and there's elastic cording, so she can make whatever she wants. Let's see. I have this. A friend gave it to me. It says, "Give it to God," and it's a prayer box. And inside it says, "I am the Lord that heals you." And there's a little pad of paper and a little mechanical pencil inside this tin box. I thought that was fun. Let's see. We have a deck of cards. Here is a pair of socks. Here is a little hygiene kit. It's got a nail file, some nail files. It's got some nail clippers, got a headband, necklace that I put together with a cross on it. So hopefully she will like that. She has a scrunchie, and she has a shirt. So this shirt, I put the flower on it with my heat transfer tool. Let's see. And I made her this skirt. So it's a cute little skirt. It's got a pocket. It's got a ruffle at the bottom. It's an elastic waist. And I had extra fabric, so the scrunchie matches. She has some flip-flops. She has a foldable frisbee. She has a pencil pack. Inside here, there are stickers. There's colored pencils. There's regular pencils. There's a highlighter, some good scissors, some erasers, and a pencil sharpener. We have a pair of underwear. We have a little tic-tac-toe game, a mini Rubik's Cube for her to play with, a little mending kit, a toothbrush. I didn't really have any great bags, like backpacks left, but I had an idea, I had a thought. You know when you get something from Amazon and it's gift wrapped and it comes in one of these bags? I thought this bag was really pretty, and it's pretty big, and it should be able to hold all of her stuff. And when you pull it tight, you can carry it by the ribbons. And so she's getting my Amazon gift bag. Hopefully she will like that. And she has a little plastic poly folder, and inside is a whole bunch of paper so that she'll be ready for school. She has a comb, She has this little stained glass craft kit, and there's some stickers in there too, and some markers. She has a scratch cross craft kit. And she has, I got this at Hobby Lobby. It is a little nativity set that she can color with those markers, and then she can have her own little nativity set, a little craft. And then she has a note from me and my picture, and I really hope that this 10 to 14-year-old girl really likes this box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this inspires you to maybe give a gift to somebody, maybe Operation Christmas Child. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Toodles!